Hello, my name is Andy Mousquetaire and I'm here to do a review of my experience with Samsung Galaxy CPO. I bought this phone is a a certified pre-owned phone. I got it from Samsung. Actually, my expectation is to get like a brand new phone and just brand new but certified pre-owned. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know how the box is gonna look like. Okay, so I have opened the box and then it came straight from Samsung. Saying Galaxy Note 10 Plus. What is that? Can you see? No, putain, can you? Note 10 Plus. Actually, I'm bilingual, so this video gonna be both in French and English. Sorry for those who speak only one language. Okay. So it is right here. Oh my god, just switch from top. I'm gonna take off all this, whatever that is, and oh wow, Peter, this is a brand new phone. Like, oh my god, look at that. That's a brand new phone. I don't know about the angles for my cameras, but my camera is on the left. Alors, là, it says right here, Samsung Galaxy Note 10, pen charger, USB connector, stereo headset, quick start guide. To be honest, this is a brand new phone. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up here. Okay, and open it up. Ooh la la! That's a brand new phone. I don't see anything pre-owned in this. Putain de merde! Alors, je vais lire qu'est-ce qui est écrit ici. Certified refurbished, limited guarantee. I'm not gonna read all that because I really am not going to read all that. And then this is my phone. I'm so happy. This is my phone. It is brand new. Like, sorry, I don't know why I'm wearing gloves, but you know, just being me. Okay, so right now I'm gonna take this one. To be honest, this is basically a brand new phone. Brand new phone. Okay, so here I have a charger with a Type-C thing. Yes, I saw a video about this thing. It's supposed to be whatever that thing is and whatever the other thing is. Okay, so right here we have the charger, the charging cable, and here we have the AKG headset. Oh my god, I feel so lucky. This is basically a brand new phone. Okay, so I'm just gonna be me right now, put this damn thing back in the box. I don't remember how it was. I have no idea how it was, to be honest. Something like this. Anyways, I'm gonna turn on my brand new phone. I'm so happy with this purchase. I'm not regretting anything. But I don't know why the phone is so light. Okay, look at that. This basically a brand new phone. Sorry for my video quality, but this is I'm recording actually from my laptop. There's something weird. Actually, I didn't see the ejecting tool thing. I don't know what that is, how to call that, but let me just try. Maybe it is someone here. Okay, I don't think it is here, but how do you call that thing, like the SIM ejector thing? Oh, I think it should be somewhere here. I didn't see you, baby doll. I didn't see you, boy. I don't know. Do they have a... I don't know why I cannot take it out. Okay, I finally was able to. So now my phone is home. I'm gonna go. Let's go. I speak French, but I'm gonna stay with this. Okay, I don't know because I know that if I don't agree with all this, I won't be able to. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and come back after I put my Wi-Fi password. Okay, I just put the password. I'm seeing that the thing is like, you know, check, and I don't know, it's checking for update or something, and I'm right here. To be honest, I'm really happy with this purchase. I got the phone for 550 because I am I have a Samsung discount member, like for the student thing. You just need to register with your edu email address, and then you're gonna have a Samsung discount member. So actually this phone, the original price for the phone was the original price for the phone was 700, and that day I saw that online it was $600. They took off the something. They took out the $100. To be honest, I don't know the password for my Google account, so we're gonna try again. I'm gonna start. So you guys don't need to see this. Yes, see these things. Yeah, you don't need to see this. Yeah, I just did whatever they wanted me to do. But you know, as a normal person, 2020, we got no time for this paperwork, you know. We got no time for this paperwork. So I just want to take a look at them. Okay. Yeah, I got no time for Google Assistant. Okay, let me just pause because this really doesn't have to do with the new phone. Okay, so I'm done with everything. The phone is basically ready to use. I just need to, you know, to add my SIM card and do those basic things, and then I would be good to go. But overall, this phone is just basically a brand new phone. Now, because they say a factory refurbished is different from the seller refurbished, because this was actually renewed by Samsung himself, so they know what they were doing. So this phone looks absolutely new for me, and I'm really happy with this purchase. The phone itself is $700 on $700 on Samsung.com, but I got it for $555 because the day I bought it, they had a discount for $100. That made it $600. And since I have a Samsung discount member, because I'm a student or an educator, you can have discounts to bring the price down to $550. Okay, so now I just need to call my career and then to switch over and add my SIM card in this phone. So that's all about my review for today. I'm so happy with this phone. It came brand new. Everything I was expecting is here. This is a really good experience. And I think I'm gonna have this thing like this because I plan to give this a gift to my dad when he comes to visit me in December. I didn't see him for 4 years almost. And yeah, the only difference with the Samsung, the brand new one, it doesn't have this one. So you guys can go check it out. You know, I was not paid by Samsung. Actually, I was disappointed by FedEx. I called up from work because you know I live alone. I had nobody to to be at home, and then the guy didn't care. So I had to go to something and pick up the thing, but overall, this was an absolute neat experience. I loved it, and I don't know why you people keep buying new phones. I don't. That's why I got this one. So I'm so happy with this purchase. See you guys soon. Bye.